many cars were blocking him. Idiots, bro. Absolute idiots. But, yo. I'll just speed this out today. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'll be cruising, trying to do my thing. You know what I mean? But, yo. I want to promote distracted driving. It can happen anytime, any place. All it takes is 1 second to crash. Just always be concentrated. If something falls on the floor while you're driving, like, I don't know, like, you gotta be careful of what you do. Like, you don't look down for like 1 second because you can crash. But like, that was a lesson of tonight. But yo, I don't know, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know, it's pretty scary shit. And the cops up there still. Rather. Low key. No, thank you. W indication. Oh, this sounds gross. Like, what is this guy doing with the GoPro, man? This is stock GTI. The bone stock GTI. It's got res delete, but not the fastest thing in the world. But yo.
Digite e senta pra tropa do zap. Ai, ai, colega quer sentar pros envolvidos. Brota no vale, digite e quica essa tropa do índio.
Ai, ai, ai. Maybe tweak a little bit, but holy, what a turn of events tonight. A Subi, a Falcon. I'll take that, I guess. Hopefully the window's an ass on this, but like, shit. I still want that rear left window down. Hey, the Golfie.